Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki dan hado lai ajar lai spa lai fu artli ki school managing committee jang ki school SSA ki badan hak jala Meghalaya ki bala ai ya ka no objection certificate lane ka jing menjur ban IT penya no yala ki jong ki school syakatanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jala. Ya kani la pentep do Presiden ga Meghalaya SSA School Association uba Aristotle C. Rambai. Hadian berawai ke jingalang bat u Commissioner Secretary Ketanat Puli Puthi u Vijay Mantri bat kina ilam ka MSSA SA ka All Meghalaya Food Teachers Association bat ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association. Hak jinga kran megila pathai ko bor uba Aristotle ure tho ba na preng ki lai jar lai spa lai fu artli ki managing committee ki bala aya ka NOC ki long arspa khandai fu pratli ki bade ki school SSA ki bala penya de ki balang bat ki regiment ka bala jar lai sautli ki de ki bala penya de ki shnong. Ula pentip ru ba ha Meghalaya brokoi ki don san hajar sispa khandai fu etli ki school SSA bakan thop ki upper primary but lower primary school.
Kabanong kong ka presentation kila share kabay day bat ka report jong ka NOC kaba nakaliang jong ka department kalayo priang na kini ki SSA managed school owned by private ka reports kabangi layo kalong kidon kumba arspa kandai po pratli kini ki SSA manage private school kibala ai ya ka willingness jongki ban hand over ya ka management naka SSA syaka government. That is point number 1. Kabay day bat ka agenda number 2. Kabay day bat ka jingdawa jongi ka association ban pentray kam ya ka pay structure nakabenta katulog jong kinong hika SSA giso komen ba nakaliang jong ka diesel kala pentip bakila depan kre hakabaya day bat kani ka benta bat ka basa menta kalong ba kinpa chapo ka finance department nak benta banyo approval bat hadin kata kin sapa chaka cabinet banyo ya ka jingmenjur hakabaya day ban pentrai kam no da ka pay scale nak benta ki nohikai SSA kabalai ka day kabaya day bat kani ka cabinet memorandum nak benta kitu ki SSA school ki bala ay ka willingness jongki ban hand over ya ka management na ka SSA siya ka government. Ingin sukmen ba nakaliang jong i commissioner and secretary ila pentip ba kila de penkre ya kani ka cabinet memorandum batkin sa pa siya ka cabinet hadin jong kani ka assembly session kamud hadin jong September kin sa pa siya ka cabinet nak benta banyo ya ka jingmenjur hakabay day ban shimtino ya kini ki SSA school di bala ay ya ka willingness jong ki ban hand over ya ka management na ka SSA siya ka government. Kabasa kolong hakabay day bat kini ki rationalization of SSA and government school. De nakaliang jong commissioner secretary la pentip ba kibabunhi ki district kila sedang ban pentray kam ya kani bat kibabunhi kinong hikay hakibabun ki district kila dep join shakiway pat ki school kibaba ka enrollment kabun ya kaba nakaliang jong ki DSEO bat ki SDSEO kila deploy ki hagi tu ki school ki babon enrollment na kini ki school ki ba duna enrollment tinalor kini ngila ekran ro bat ki ki agenda hakabay day bat kini ki ban rationalize kini ki school within the same campus and building ay kabangi concern kadlong hakabay day bat ka disperse ne transfer ya ka salary jong kino hikay SSA mo kumba pitip lada hakajo ka campus kidong kini ki deep seat school ki ad hoc school bat ki SSA school dementa ka plan jong ka government kalong ban wanra no kini ki school hajo kamut kini ki school ki function at the same building ngila raise ka concern jong i hakabay day bat ka disbursement of salary ni sukmen ba nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ila ayak assurance ba ka government can continue with the existing system ban pa hiya ka pulob jong kinohikay SSA directly to their respective personal account wat lada ya kini ki school on march lang ajo kita kilong ki katto kani ki benta ki ba nilayo ban discuss akan ka meeting ko ba menta Hoy, hakabay di perkatu ka benta last week nila yo bani kendo yung director jong ka diesel di mentar ngin yakren hi to benta bana kaliang jong ki nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ila pentip bana kaliang jong department kala extend ya ka por na menta ban register hantu kamud hadu upnai Oktober de yakini kipna August September Oktober ka tuyu ka tulop ngin yo ay kumba yo kam dai lembak to ka apps dikin correct shwa ya paro kitu ki error kumban ngin pentip hakini bikin versi de hadin bala de ban correct ya paro ki error kan sedang ban kam to ka maxim
Siyempre naman yung halakat sa pagkakataon ang pang tuloy mo ba mga ikaw ya tinong kita
kabay dai pagani ka bentang ngin ekren kumang mentan to gani ban merge ya ka single account ma ya ketu kan am effect yang iki SSA whereas with order grant in each school there will be a different agenda kai ka bangi concern kalong yang iki SSA teachers de nakalin jong commissioner secretary ila ai ka assurance ba kanom effect yang i kan continue hi ban pa ya betulok ni kumba kalong menta naka nako ka samagra shiksha abhiyan nako office of samagra abhiyan dari kata account